Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do the little character Locke from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So this is day 2 of 25 days of SFX Christmas, and I'm really wanting to dabble into the Nightmare Before Christmas side of Christmas. A lot of people will debate that it is a Halloween movie or a Christmas movie. I think it's both, so I'm going to be adding it into my Christmas series. So if you guys aren't familiar with who Locke is, I'll put a little picture right here of who the character is, and he looks like this. This is the picture I'm going off of on my phone. I've seen quite a few people on Pinterest and YouTube and just all over the place have done this character in the past, and they've all turned out really cool, so I really wanted to do my take on it. So I'm going to be using my Mehron Paradise paint set for this. So if you guys are not familiar with Paradise paints, they look like this. I have all of the colors in the, which one is this? This is just, I'll have to link it down below for you guys. This is just one of the sets. I have basically all of the rainbow that I need to make different looks come together with water-based paints. It's really easy to just get all of the primary colors, and then you guys can just make different colors with those just by mixing them together. Just go off your primary colors. But for today's look, I'm going to start off by doing my eyeshadow first like I always do. So I'm going to zoom you guys in, and then we can get into the body paint. So I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is the palette that I use the most for most of my videos. Black has pink on the top and blue and purple on the bottom, so I'm going to do just a very quick pink look on the top. So I'm going to go in with this color right here in my crease. Now on the lid portion of my eyes, I'm going to go in with this hot pink right here. That's where I've already hit pan on. And I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. Now going back into that transition color and just putting it in my crease. I'm just on a separate brush that looks like this. It's just another eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go in with the pink and a black just to make it a little bit darker and smoked out on the outside. So that same hot pink and just a black just to add a deeper color. Now once you have that eye done, I'm just going to move on to the next eye. So I'm just going to quickly go and do the exact same thing on this eye that I did on this eye over here, and I think I'll come back and we can start doing the face paint. Now that I have both eyes on, I'm going to go in with some loose pigments. So this is the brand NYX, and this is the pigment 16. It's a purple, and this is by Bella Cosmetics, and it's like this pink shimmery color. First, I'm going to start off by putting the purple shimmery pigment over top of where I put the black. So now I'm going to go into my Bella pigment, and I'm just going to put that on my eye part, my eyelid part. And now I'm going to go in with some makeup remover and just clean up the edges and all of the fallout. So now once you have your eyes on, I'm going to quickly just throw on some eyeliner. So this is the Sex Kitten liner by Tarte Cosmetics. Now once I have my liner on, I'm just going to quickly throw on some lashes. Alright, so now that my eyelashes are on and my eyebrows are on, I am just referencing my photo. So his skin is kind of like a gray color. It's a mix between blue and white. So I'm going to take my white body paint and let's go with this one. And we're just going to make the colors a little bit more gray than white. Oh, my dad is calling me. Just a second. Alright, so I'm going to be mixing this white and this blue together just to make kind of like a gray color, because his skin tone is pretty gray. So I'm just water activating my paint. So Mehron paints are water activated paint, so I just dip a little bit of water on my brush and then I just swirl it around in the paint and you make it get like just kind of like a cream texture, and then that's when I know that it's good enough for my skin, and then I'll start applying it. Going to go in with my Take It Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with these purples, and I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes. Very easy, very simple. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to go in with the Laura Mercier setting powder. This is just a translucent powder, and I'm just going to quickly set my face. And now that that's done, I haven't used that powder in forever. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna do his smile. So his smile is like similar to the Cheshire Grin. It's just like this big, toothy, evil spider smile. So I'm going to outline it with black, just a liquid liner, to do this smile. So now I'm just going to start drawing in his teeth. So using the Made You Look angled brush set, I'm going to go in with white, and I'm just going to make the teeth more white than they are, because right now they're pretty blue. All of the surrounding spaces around the teeth with black. Now I'm just going to go over the white spots again, like the teeth, and I'm just going to try to make them a little bit more teeth-like. Alright, and so now that you have your mouth on, his lips are blue. So now I'm going to go in with the same blue that we used to make our skin kind of a gray color instead of just being a flat white. And I'm going to go in with a detail brush, which is small like this, and make the outline of his lips blue. Now this is really such a simple look. Unless you're really good at body painting, it might look something similar to mine. I'm not a body painter by any means, but I think this turned out really cool. So now the last thing that I'm going to do is I am going to throw in my yellow contacts, and I'm going to put on my red wig, and then I am Locke. I almost forgot, because Locke has red hair, we need to make his eyebrows red. So I'm going to go into my Take It Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to use a random brush. So this is a Morphe brush, and I'm just going to go into a red color, and I am going to make my eyebrows red because it needs to match my wig. Wow! Wow! And here is Locke. So I think this turned out really cool. I think it's very easy, and if you're good at body painting, you can make this look really cool. I'm not amazing at body painting. I'm not terrible at body painting, but you guys get the gist of how to do this from this tutorial. If you guys are better at painting than I am, then you could probably make this look amazing. Give it a go. Also, Locke doesn't wear a ring onesie, but it's cold. And I don't know where my red sweater is. So, ring onesie. Ah. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. I hope you guys are enjoying my Christmas series. So this is day number 2. This is Locke from The Nightmare Before Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will try and recreate it, because I know tons of people have, and theirs all look amazing. Mine looks okay, but I mean, whatever. It's body painting. I'm not amazing at body painting, and I don't really care. I think it looks cool. I'm gonna run around and annoy my boyfriend looking like this all day. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. This is a Christmas series. I'm still feeling Halloweeny though.